Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can silence or remove audio from a video in CapCut. So in here, I've already import a video. So it has like some kind of noise and I want to remove it. So what you need to do is mute the audio by clicking on the video, go to volume and lower it to 0. You can do it like that, or you can extract the audio first then remove it. So here I'm going to click on extract audio, click on the audio and click on delete. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.